Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Auto. Today, we're diving into an important maintenance task, cleaning the throttle body. Whether you're working on a car, motorcycle, or any other vehicle, keeping your throttle body clean is crucial for optimal performance. We'll cover 3 main steps: removing, cleaning, and replacing the throttle body. Let's get started. First up, we need to remove the throttle body. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary tools, a socket set, screwdrivers, and a clean cloth. Also, it's a good idea to wear gloves to keep everything clean. Step 1. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical issues. Next, locate the throttle body. Now, carefully remove any screws or bolts holding the throttle body in place. Keep them in a small container so you don't lose them. Gently pull the throttle body away from its housing. If it's stuck, you might need to wiggle it a bit, but be careful not to damage any surrounding components. With the throttle body removed, it's time to clean it. Use a throttle body cleaner or an appropriate solvent. Avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the pump. Spray the cleaner onto the throttle body and let it sit for a minute. Then, using a clean cloth or brush, scrub away any carbon deposits or dirt. Pay special attention to the inlet and outlet ports. Make sure everything is spotless. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, let it dry completely. This ensures no residue will affect its operation when we reinstall it. Now that our throttle body is clean and dry, it's time to reinstall it. Gently place it back into its housing and align it with the mounting holes. Reinsert the screws or bolts that you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the threads. Remember to reconnect any hoses or connectors that were detached during the removal process. Finally, reconnect the battery. Make sure everything is in its proper place, and then we're ready for a test. We've successfully removed, cleaned, and replaced the throttle body. Regular maintenance like this can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.